Oh my god, I'm like so breathless. Why is talking like running a marathon? I should be in the Olympics. Hey guys, welcome to the last pregnancy vlog. Oh my god, I don't know how I feel about this. I'm like kind of really excited for baby to come, of course, but at the same time I'm kind of like emotional that this pregnancy vlog venture is coming to an end. Today's July 13, which means it is officially close to 31 weeks of my gestational journey, which puts me so close to 8 months pregnant. And I'm at the point where if I drop anything on the floor, it is absolutely dead to me. I don't care if it's candy, I don't care if it's like a dollar bill, like it's just gone. I'm not bending down and picking it up. I'm gonna show you guys the state of my studio right now because I just filmed a summer closet essentials video. So you guys probably have already seen that by the time you guys see this vlog, but I still want to show you the state of my studio. So that's my rack right there, and we have all this mess, and that's my lighting equipment. And over here we have all kinds of messes as well. And yeah, closet, more closet, and the hallway. The hallway is essentially not my hallway anymore. It's just a storage space for all of my clothes. So apparently I blinked, and now I'm currently on my 37th week of pregnancy. I'm hoping it's going to be only like 2, maybe like 2.5 weeks away from meeting baby in real life. I honestly don't want to go past 40 weeks. I do have a doctor's appointment and a membrane sweep scheduled for next week, so fingers crossed. So this is what my belly looks like at 37 and 2 days pregnant. I just wanted to give you guys an update on my bump care routine. I know I've done one in my previous pregnancy vlog, but I've changed a few things, so I just wanted to give you guys an update. So now my bump care routine actually starts in the shower. So I do go over my entire bump with a scrub of some kind. It's fine if you just use any of the facial exfoliants that you can find at Walmart. I'm using one by Summer Fridays because I already had this one and I love the effect it had on my skin, so I'm using it for my bump. Oh my god, I'm like so breathless. Why is talking like running a marathon? I should be in the Olympics. Abby, I'm so sorry, I need to catch my breath. Because we're piling so many creams and oils onto the bump every single day, the idea is to make sure that you scrub away any dead skin that's sitting on top of here so that the creams and the oils can absorb much better. And then after stepping out from the shower, I immediately put on my tummy rub butter while my skin is still moist from the shower and while my pores are still open from the heat of the shower. I just found out that putting your creams first before layering your oil is the way to go. These two are the same product, I just alternate between them because they have different scents, and I'm almost done both of them, so I need to get myself some more. But basically I would take like a very generous portion. Warm it up with my hands and use a patting motion. Don't forget the sides and the back as well. And then once I feel that the cream is starting to settle into my skin, I go in with the oil. So the reason you want to put the oil after you put the cream on is because the oil has smaller molecules than the cream, and it's going to seep down under your epidermis, and your already moisturized skin will absorb the oil so much better. And then after I put the oil on, I basically just like don't wear any clothes, and I don't put any sort of fabrics over this until I feel like it's been properly absorbed into my skin, because what's the point if you're gonna just like throw on a cotton t-shirt and then that's gonna like take away half your cream. So yeah, this is my updated belly care routine. I'll be linking all the products that I'm using down in the description box below as always. Hi guys, today is officially 38 weeks and 3 days, and I just got back from a visit to my OB and she did a cervical check, and she said that I am about 60 to 70% effaced and about 4 centimeters dilated, so I think that means baby is on his way, I hope. I've got my hospital bag ready. I'm going to be packing some of the essentials for my hospital stay for this time, and I'm about 20 minutes away from the hospital, so you know, as soon as I feel the contractions going, my doctor said that because the second baby, contractions can lead to labor like super duper fast, so I need to be prepped and ready to go. So I'm going with this suitcase because it's so cute. I've never had a chance to use it. I actually got it during a pandemic. You're not able to like travel, so I think this is a really good chance for me to use this for hospital. I'm gonna roll up to the hospital and the nurse is gonna be like, girl, are you here for a vacay? You know what, given the last time when I had Lucas, I was in the hospital for over a whole damn week, okay? Everyone is like, oh, just pack your bag super light for like 1 or 2 days, stay max at the hospital. We stayed for like 10 days because he had health complications, and like, you know, that's why we needed to stay for that long. But this time I am ready for like an extended long period of stay, so I'm gonna maybe pack my bags for like 3 to 5 days hospital stay. So first thing, we're gonna start off with baby bags. So for baby bag, I'm just gonna go with maybe 3 to 5 little onesies. So these are all onesies that we had with Buddy when he was born, and for this baby we actually didn't have to go out of our way to get more clothes, because why get more when you can reuse? Look at this one, so cute. They're so tiny! I forget how tiny they are. Ow. Ow. You just kicked me in my cervix again.
He wants to go out too.
Oh, and a little head. Oh, I have a bag of tiny mittens. Maybe I'll just pack 2 of them because newborns have a tendency to scratch themselves all over. They're born with really sharp nails sometimes, and if you don't put mittens on them, they can like really hurt their skin. So 2 of these. Of course, we need some diapers and wipes. Damn, strong! I need my biceps to carry my baby. Oh my god, these diapers are so tiny! This video is just gonna be me opening a bunch of baby stuff and then exclaiming how tiny they are. It's so tiny, you're so cute. I think you go through over 10 to 12 a day with newborns. Maybe I'll bring the whole thing.
Yeah, bring the whole thing.
Yeah, it's surprising like how many diapers they go through in the first week of their life. I think we'll like use all of this in the hospital. And then we got these really soft blankets. These are perfect for newborns because they're made from like this really thin material that is really see-through and meshy and breathable. And these are also perfect for swaddling your newborns. And then I'm also gonna pack a little newborn baby bottle just in case my meal comes in a little bit later and I'm like exhausted to the point where I can't breastfeed. Then you can get, you know, like someone else to feed baby with a bottle. And also this bottle is amazing because it's like one of the closest feel to breastfeeding. The nipple especially is designed in a way that the baby has to work for the milk instead of just like gushing out as soon as you do this. So yeah, make sure you get a newborn nipple for slow flow. This is bringing back so much memories from the first time I tried breastfeeding because it is difficult. Those of you who are out there assuming that it's just like natural and like it's like instinctive for moms, I was one of them. That is like so untrue. It's such naive thinking because that's what the world wants you to think, but it is a whole job. It is even harder than labor itself. But I can go on and on about how hard breastfeeding is for like another hour. If you guys want me to make another video on tips on breastfeeding or pumping or other ways to feed baby, let me know. Also got my whole pumping bag here with my Medela pumps. I went through these in my newborn and postpartum essentials video, so if you haven't seen that yet, go check it out. But yeah, in case baby won't latch or is having a really hard time feeding straight from the breast, that's why I'm ready to go with the pump. I have both the electric version and also the manual version. So it's perfect for the on-the-go relieving of the pressure from the breast without having to hook up and like charge a bunch of like stuff. Also gonna pack my tried and tested Soothies. These ones are what kept Lucas calm during his hospital days and throughout all the jabs and the needles that he got. And I also got one of these pacifier clips because they don't stay in baby's mouth. Okay, like you'll put one in and then they'll spit it out and then they'll like fall out. You have to like keep putting it back. Okay, moving on to mama stuff for postpartum. I got disposable undies that are supposed to be for, I think, incontinence, but a lot of people have said that they work super well for postpartum as well. And this is what they look like. So it's just like regular underwear. Yeah, my regular underwears look like this. These are designed to be absorbent here, so you don't have to wear anything with it. In case you get really bad bleeding, you can also pair them with a pad like this, and you can just stick them here like you would during your period. Dun dun! Oh, these are heavy! This is ice packs for mamas, and these are designed so you don't need the fridge or the freezer or anything. They just come in a pack like this, and when it's time to use them, you just like open them up, and for some reason they get instantly really cool to the point where they really help with your recovery routine because they're ice pads. And a lot of mamas that I've talked to said that these saved their sanity and their lives after birth. When I gave birth to Lucas, these were not invented yet, and so I didn't get a chance to use them, but now I'm kind of excited to use them. Oh, stuff that you hear pregnant women say, that they're excited to use ice maxi pads. You know, I just bring all of it. And then nursing pads. Because my milk didn't come in until like the 3rd day or so, so I wasn't like leaking a lot. Oh, I'm gonna have these two guys. Perineal balm and nipple balm. So the nipple balm really helps with chapped and cracked nipples from all the latching practices that baby will have, and the perineal balm really helps with healing that area down there. My donut! Where's my donut? Oh my god. Got my donut pillow. So this pillow is what I've been looking for again last time when I gave birth with Buddy, and I could not for the life of me find a donut pillow that's like this. So I'm so glad Freedom Mom came up with one, especially if you have like a vaginal birth afterwards. That area is going to be so sore. It's going to be impossible for you to sit normally like on a flat surface or even lie down. So these donut pillows are great for that extra support that you're going to need. But this is what the donut pillow looks like. This is the cover for it. It also comes with this cooling pad that you can put in here if you want to sit on this, but otherwise it has an auto inflation technology here, so I'm not gonna inflate it right now. I'm gonna actually inflate it when I do need it at the hospital. So for now it is portable. Okay, what else do mamas need? My iPad. I need to pack for Dada too, because Dada's staying with me for the entire duration. And then the rest is just, you know, toiletries that you'll need every day, like toothpaste, toothbrush, lip balm, stuff like that. Also, I think there is a private washroom that comes with our birthing suites that we're gonna be staying at the entire time. And then all the charging accessories for all of the electronics that we'll be bringing. Okay guys, thank you for watching this vlog, and this is going to be the last pregnancy vlog, and next time you see me I might be on the way to the hospital, actually in labor, about to give birth. So yeah, stay tuned for my birth vlog, and fingers crossed everything goes smoothly. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the hospital, I guess. Alright, bye bye.